This is a cool animation, isn't it? Well, it is. So, the duration of our animation clip is 2.4 seconds, created in 46 minutes and made in Flipaclip. Our animation settings are 12 frames per second and 1080p. Those settings are just for the speed and quality of the videos. We are going to start off with a horizontal line that we will select and extend it sideways. Then we copy the line, paste it, and do that over and over to create our road and background. Then we get to the best part. Now we are going to add color to our road and background. Black tar road with white and yellow lines. Then gray color for the concrete, green color for the grass. The other side, we will do a brownish soil. Finish. Let's head over to create our house. As usual, we do lines first to build a rectangle. Now let's head over to the roof to create a triangle for the background layer that we will delete later. Then we are going to make lines, which we will have both sides to create a triangle. We move the point of rotation to the other side of the line, then rotate it to make a nice shape based on our layer. Boom. Then we go to do the roof lines that will take time but will pay off. Let's do the door and windows to complete the house. Also, we will add color to them. Now let's make a windmill. Just gonna make it like a pizza shape. We will rub off some parts, obviously, to make it have the windmill look. To animate the windmill, we will just rotate the structure from the center to make it seem like it's moving. We will add some details to make the spinning interesting too. Now let's draw the car. Let's animate the car by moving it from place to place in each frame. I measure my motion by the wheels when I animate my car. Consider subscribing and like the video, and also comment so that more people find the video. For more future tutorials, consider checking out our membership. Skrrr!